Can you get a decent bike in America for under $300? And can you find it at Walmart? Those are the questions we're gonna answer in this video. Now, just for you guys information, I've been biking ever since I was a kid. I love biking. I've had a whole bunch of different bikes, and we're looking for one for my wife to ride. And we found this guy. So, believe it or not, this bike by Walmart called the Ozark Trail, that's a brand name, G.1, don't know what that stands for, Explorer, is a really sweet bike. Actually, if I'm being honest, I think that they employed some people who know what they're doing actually to design this bike for them. So it's really kind of a traveling bike. First of all, you notice that because you've got these threaded holes here on the fork, you got 3 on each side, so you can put panniers in the front or basket. Super nice. Same thing in the back. Got a threaded hole here as well as 2 down here so that you can put a nice rack on, kind of like what I got here on my Surly. You see, I got a rack here and it's got to attach here and here. So that's really, really nice. Baskets are super convenient. So you can do that with this guy. And it's got, in this case, a flat bar with nice wide grips. That's what my wife was looking for. They also sell this in a version with the road bike handlebars, like what I got over on my bike. So you can get either way, but she preferred this one. So anyhow, what else is nice about this bike is that it doesn't just use all crap components. It uses a Shimano rear derailleur, an Altus, so that's not bad. I mean, it's on the lower end, but considering the price of this bike, that's quite excellent. The wheels are, I think they're 27.5-inch wheels, don't quite remember, but you got just one rear derailleur. In the front, you don't have a derailleur, which is nice because you've only got here one shifter in the front. On the right side, you don't have one on the left side, so there's less maintenance. Another thing I'd like to point out is the fact that the cables actually run here through the frame. So that is super nice. You don't have them hanging out below the frame, getting dirty, getting rusty. They go through the frame, so that is super duper nice. Finally, let's take a look here at the brakes. You got disc brakes on there. Okay, they're cable disc brakes. They're not hydraulic, which is a little too bad, but for the price, hey, they work good. They work much better than cantilever or V-brakes. So, yeah, pretty nice to see. I mean, they're no-name brakes. I don't see any name brand on there, but not bad at all. And the geometry of the bike is pretty sporty. And it's not real heavy. I can just pick it up just like that. No problem. So yeah, comes with what you need. Comes with this kickstand on the back there, also no name, but sweet bike. And look, even the kickstand, it's kind of like hidden here behind this chainstay. It's held in place with these 2 bolts in the back. So real nice design all together on this bike. And I just wanted to make a video because I'm so delighted with the fact that you can get one of these for less than $300. And does it get the wifey stamp of approval?
It does.
It does. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Short review on this Ozark Trail G.1 Explorer.